picture, video, with the cameras, and you will see what's going to happen. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Here you go. Look at the surface. Get closer. Get closer. You can see that's going straight down. Yes, no vortex. That is in the middle. That's in the middle. And now let's show this on the south side. Excuse me, please. Come around, see you can see it. Come around here. We have another place too. Okay, get close. Now you all of you can see? Good. From the south, the water goes that way. And so, clockwise, yes? That's the movement in the south side. Now, let's go north. Let's see this here.
It's really cool, actually.
Yeah, this egg. Give it a little smack. Right there, give it a little bit.
Come around. Come on this side. You can come here a little bit closer. You can see? Good? Yes? Good. Here you go.
Easy.
Counterclockwise, yes friends? So that is the movement in the north, the opposite in the south. Don't forget friends that it was an example.